about the way you walked in my direction. So confident, but unassumingly. Thinking about the night you took my hand for the first time. It took a minute to admit it, but it turns out that you were all I needed. Yeah, the calm I crave, the sunshine when I hate to drive in the rain.
Malapit na kami umalis. Hindi na kami nagmadali kasi 3-hour drive lang naman, and yung weather medyo maulan, corny, and yung check-in namin alas 3 pa.
Today, we're gonna do our skincare.
Brush na ako.
This is my, di ba gumaganyan sila? Favorite facial wash.
Feel.
And this is my current favorite lotion.
Para naman sa namin daan ngayon, papuntang Delaware. Ano yan?
Kahit malaki. Ano? Water floss.
Wow.
Wow!
I used to dread the mornings, but with you I'd rather chase the sunrise or feel the minutes disappearing. But I know now that you were all I needed. Yeah, the calm I crave, the sunshine when I hate to drive in the rain. Oh, I must have done something right to have you in my life. They say that love is never easy, but baby, I say we're living proof.
Hey guys, alis na kami.
They say that the honeymoon won't
Ayun o.
last.
Hello. Kita siya. Kala niya, hindi siya kayo.
Hi guys!
Ipapagas mo na kami.
I love to love you, I do.
Hey guys, bibiyahin na kami. Ano ko na lang to, time lapse, parang ganun. Tapos kain kami ng baka brunch na lang sa, ewan ko kung Cracker Barrel, bala na. So, enjoy na lang yung ating drive.
I met you last December, well I think it was. Your arm around my shoulder with no care at all. You stayed cool, calm, collected, just playing dumb. Who'd have thought? Yeah, you were so cool, so different. Yeah, I bet you were bending over backwards just to say a word. And you think you're funny now, but they never learn what it cost. And I've been searching, waiting for the right time. You left early, something.
What's up guys? Andito tayo sa... Teka, saan na mga bato? Basta somewhere dito sa Delaware. And doon kasi yung daan na pinili ko, Delaware. And then may parang beach na madadaanan doon sa Delaware na mahaba pa, papuntang Ocean City. So yun, si Nika naghanap ng restroom na na-jingle daw. Andito kami sa may McDonald's at Wendy's, magkatapatan lang, katabi. Ayun, tuloy yung biyahe.
About your brother's flight, I just wanna tell you what's on my mind. How do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna wait for you. I don't you don't remember what I said to you. I'm so relieved, cause I wouldn't know what to do if I'd said I love you probably way too soon. Like way too soon. Kinda mean.
Hi guys! So, andito kami sa may, Cracker Barrel. Dito rin kami nag-Cracker Barrel nun nila daddy. Peanut butter bar. Ito guys, southern food. Southern food.
Two sides.
Okay, let's look at the menu. Yeah.
Yung sides nandito.
Sa side talaga yun, sa menu. Guys, itong Cracker Barrel, southern talaga to nag-originate. So, if ever na you stop by and mag-dine in sa Cracker Barrel, so southern ng nila, cuisine. So, makita nyo guys, parang parang farm na country.
Parang naging tradition na natin pag may long time.
Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel.
Tapos kapag winter time guys, nakita nyo yung parang fireplace. Yeah. Binubuksan nila yan.
Chimney.
Ito, aking fried chicken.
Ala, ang dami niya.
Bakit? Pwede naman iuwi Problema mo.
Uwi ka pa.
Hindi problema yun, babe. Ikaw naman. Sa kanya. Sarap. Alright, kain tayo guys.
And overbearing, kinda sweet but unaware. Times are changing, but you haven't since then. Just give the small talk, say you wanna love me till your lungs give in, or just maybe are you free next weekend? I've been searching, waiting for the right time. Said I'd call, but you answered, so I cut the line. I just wanna tell you what's on my mind, but if I say too much, can we forget?
Okay, nakapag-lunch na and tuloy na tayo sa biyahe. 1 hour and 30 minutes pa yata.
It all, how do we get here and how do we stay? I don't wanna rush things, but I don't wanna wait for you. How do I know that your feelings could change? I don't know, but I hope so. You think you know it all, and you're probably right about most things, but you haven't noticed the way I just sit and stare. I know it's useless, I'm trying to stop, yet I know that it's always gonna lead back to you. And I'm hopelessly falling, you're slamming the door. There's nothing to lose, just admit that I'm yours. And I know that it's crazy, but why don't I just try? It's always gonna lead back to you.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a
What's up guys? Nakarating na kami dito sa pag-stay namin na hotel. So yun, labas muna namin yung mga gamit. Umuulan. Lakas yung ulan. Hindi ko lang paano natin may enjoy itong first day natin dito. Staycation na lang. Yan na. Yan guys, mag-check-in lang muna si Nika. What's up guys? Siguro by Monday na kami aalis. Hopefully by tomorrow sana umayos yung weather, no, para ma-enjoy natin yung boardwalk dito sa sa Ocean City. Then mamayang gabi, I hope na kahit makulimlim, kahit ano lang, kahit tumigil lang yung ulan para makapaglakad-lakad ng mamaya dito sa may boardwalk din. Okay kasi dito sa boardwalk pag gabi. Parang buhay din, buhay. Ayun. Okay guys, hindi pala libre yung parking dito. Parang $15 per night daw ang parking, which is kailan babayaran pag check out na?
I-charge na lang sa card.
Sa card. So wala eh. Kailangan nila kumita eh.
Sayang sana yung car mo dinala, hindi nasulit sana natin. EV. Pero,
May charging station.
pero baka may bayad din yun, no?
Oo, Blink eh.
Ah,
May bayad din. Parang wala nang libreng dito.
RV.
Charging station. So, ayun. Let's go, guys. Yay. Oh. Tulugan na.
Vacation, dahil umuulan.
Hello. Nice. Wow. View natin. View natin puro mga hotel lang din. Nice naman, nice. Mahal siguro dun sa beachfront, no? Okay guys, tulugan na.
Ako din, wait lang. Ang liit ko eh. Hello.
What's up guys? Labas tayo ngayon. Labas tayo sa boardwalk. Medyo huminto na yung yung ulan. Ayaw namin sayangin tong araw na to.
Got something else extra for you that's gonna blow your mind.
Okay, let's go. Kung dala sana natin yung yung car ko, pwede tayo dito. Pero mukhang may bayad yung charging station.
Pero, baka kahit hindi naka-charge. Pwede pa rin.
Ganun kaya. Candy Kitchen. Ayan na. Just in case magutom. May McDonald's. And bukas ng umaga meron may free breakfast doon sa hotel sa kami nag-stay. Oh, yun. And guys, yung lalakad kami papunta sa sa boardwalk. Nasaan yung mga commercials, medyo malayo-layo pa, may distansya ng konti. Ayun guys, balik kami kasi yung access dun sa sa boardwalk ay natuklasan namin na 5 miles from our hotel kung saan kami nag-i-stay. Ano ba kasi tong trip mo, girl?
Sabi kasi dun sa booking.com foot away or feet away yung beach. So akala ko yun na rin yung boardwalk. Like 500 feet away. Anyway, lesson learned.
Dito na tayo sa guys, sa boardwalk. Layo din. Parang rin 20 to 30 minute drive din o 20 minutes drive from kung saan kami kanina. Tapos pa, paid parking. Wala kami masyadong wala kami mahanap na libreng parking space. Anong street ito? 13th Street.
Right thing running about the wrong time, and I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know. We were nothing alike and I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing running about at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know. I'll never know, I'll never know. You made a country club pool feel like Malibu Beach. Share your parents like money, but you like to drink cheap. Should've known the first moment you're out of my league, but you said you liked me. Oh, I bet it was a right thing running about the wrong time. And I think maybe if I held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could
guys, breakfast kami. Ayan, cereals. Orange juice. Dami nagda-drive-thru sa McDonald's. Oh.